Have you ever upscaled your AI art and then be frustrated that your file size is absolutely massive? Just look at these examples right here, where almost all of these are 130 MB, which not only does it clutter up your hard drive, but Amazon Merch only accepts files that are up to 25 MBs large, so these wouldn't really work. But there's a way to get around this issue by using Casium, and this is a free tool. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and it compresses your images up to 90% without visible quality loss. And I've tried this, and I can agree with this. It does definitely work. If you click on download, you can install this for Windows and Mac. And once you've opened it up, this is what it looks like. And you just have to drag and drop your files into this. You can do it in bulk. It shows you the file size and the resolution. And then there's some simple settings on the right, which you don't even necessarily need to change, but I just want to explain them quickly. So the compression right here, essentially the higher you set this, the more it's going to retain the quality. The files might be a little bit bigger that way instead of, having it set to a lower amount, but I've just set mine to 100 right here. That's not been an issue for me. File size still gets reduced a lot. Then you can also resize right here based on dimensions, percentage, etc. I've tried this to get it to fit the Amazon Merch dimensions, but it also kind of stretches the images out, at least in my case. So I've just turned this off, and the output tab right here, you have a few settings in terms of where and how these files are being saved. For example, you can add a suffix if you want to differentiate between the previous large files and the newly compressed ones. So I just added that right here, and that's basically all you need to know. Once you're ready, you click compress, and then it's going to run through these one by one. This does use your device, so if you have a slow laptop, slow PC, might take a little bit longer, but as you can see, it's already done for me. It's saved 87%, over a gigabyte right here. And if I go back to the original folder, you can see at the bottom right here that all of these are now way below 20 MB, which is amazing. Now I can upload these to Amazon Merch without any issues, and I've saved a lot of storage space. If you like the Van Gogh Starry Night designs that I just compressed, you would probably really enjoy watching this video as well, where I show you how to take those types of designs and add frames and texture effects to them in bulk.